Alright, so this question is lexicographical numbers. So you are given an integer n, so you want to return all the number in a range between 1 to n, stored in the lexicographical order. So, I mean, you are not allowed to write a solution in all of one for space though, because you are returning the list of integers. So this is going to be your space, right? So what you actually need to do is you want to traverse. So if you notice that it has to starting from 1, so definitely you have a for loop traverse from 1 all the way to 9, including 9. And then in this traversal, you want to find out do you have a possible value that you can traverse. So in this one, you want to traverse from 0 to 9 because 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, and all the way to 1 9. And if 1 0 can generate another 0 or 0 to 9, because 100 to 109 they are the possibility. But this is the main one. This will be a second one, and this will be a third one. But you don't want to write the number of the for loop you have, right? So you want to just keep using a recursion solution based on this one, because these are repeated, right? So let's write down and see what happens. So I'm gonna have a list of integer. Come on, for result. Initialize the result. I'm gonna traverse sorry. I want to return the result. I'm going to traverse the for loop from 1 all the way to 10, which is not including 10 but include 9. And I'm going to the DFS, and it will be from I to the n, right? Given the I will be the starting point, n will be the constraint. So if public void DFS in num, in n, so it has to be what? Num has to be less than or equal to n, right? If this is true, imagine you just put 1 over here, you just add result add num. This is straightforward, right? And else you want to traverse from all the way from 0 to what? To 9, which not including 10, right? This is from 1 to 9, this is from 0 to 9, and then you want to make sure that the num, so right now this is 1, right? This is 13 in this case. So I already added 1, and I want to say, okay, num times 10 plus I. So it's going to be 1, 10 plus 0, which is 10, right? If this is what? Less than or equal than n, I want to say DFS, and using this one, so I'll pass in the value in here, and passing the n in here. So just keep adding. So yeah, so this will be it. Submit. Okay, so if you actually notice, like what happens if if you can break out this for loop easily, you want to say, okay, if this is greater, then I want to return. So I can break out the for loop easily if this is happening, right? So yeah, and time and space are straightforward. Space, you add every single num into the list, all of n. Time is actually all of n because you need to traverse from 1 to 13, right? So this will be the solution. So if you have any question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.